I've discussed a very important topic. You have multiple Twitter accounts, but you have only for one LinkedIn account. In each content, when you're posting for LinkedIn, automatically shared by your Twitter wall. So what are the options we can available by your LinkedIn to Twitter? So people, so many members call for each LinkedIn account we can connect by multiple Twitter account. We can have the multiple Twitter account. But drawback is called you can connect by multiple Twitter, but you can share content one LinkedIn to one Twitter account. That is called, if you go for your LinkedIn accounts, the option called is setting and privacy. First, setting and privacy. Option call is account. In this account, the option call is will be here Twitter setting. When you click for Twitter setting, click for changes. Here we have only for one Twitter account. If you add another Twitter account, click for add Twitter account, add your password, add for another Twitter account. When add your another Twitter account, will be show for like this 1, 2, 3. So coming to your LinkedIn profile option, when select, now it is showing for RT solution HYD. Suppose I am selecting for second one. Which one? Rakesh K 5532. Make a primary. So after refresh, now it will be what is showing for RT solution HYD. Now click for refresh. You can add multiple Twitter account, but when you post a content name, one LinkedIn to one Twitter account. Select it. You see this one. Anyone plus Twitter Rakesh K 5532 means I'm changing my Twitter account. So after that, you can posting for here. Rakesh SEO services. Select it, close it, click for home. Why? Because after changing any Twitter account, you can refresh by your option. Refresh here. Select your option. Here this one. Anyone plus Twitter, that is called Rakesh Rock SEO services. So this is called, you can add the multiple Twitter account, but anything posting by only one LinkedIn to one Twitter account. This is a very important. This is a very important from the connect with your LinkedIn to multiple Twitter account. You can add by multiple Twitter account. The drawback is called any posting on LinkedIn to Twitter, one profile to only for one profile. Multiple profile, we can't post anything will be LinkedIn to Twitter. Please note on that option.